So guys, this is yet another video about Pi Network, and so far so good. Pi Network has still been performing well since the last 7 days that it launched. Now, we all know that today is the last day that we can vote on Binance Square if we want Pi to be listed on Binance. As recent as it is right now, we have over 86% vote already that are in that Pi Network would be listing on Binance. So we all know what that is going to mean for Pi Network coins. The moment Pi coins get listed on Binance, you are going to see a very huge pump, right? Now, looking at the general crypto market, you are going to see that the market is still not looking the best right now. Bitcoin is slightly up 0.19% for the day. Ethereum is down 1.88% for the day as well. Then XRP is slightly up 0.35%. Solana is slightly up 3.02%. But now going to Pi Network, we are going to see that for the last day, Pi Network has still been up 23% with a market cap of 18.2 billion, and the trading volume now has gotten to 3.3 billion. It's crazy, man. Crazy. Now the fully diluted volume, the FDV, is currently sitting at 273.29 billion with the total supply of 10 billion, right? This is the entire amount of Pi that has been mined, by the way. The question now is, how much could Pi really get to in the short term? Like, we're talking in a few weeks from now. That is exactly what we're going to be talking about in today's video. I'm going to be talking about how much Pi could potentially hit realistically in today's video. Before we do that, let's check out the individual market right now and see how the trading volume is doing. The trading volume currently for OKX is 854 million. For BitGet, it is 918 million. For MEXC, it is over 379 million for the 24-hour trading volume. It is really looking good right now. So now we'll check the entire chart. I like to use my candlesticks instead. When you check out the entire chart, you're going to see the market movement right now. You can see where Pi is currently sitting at right now at 2.72, and you can see that it has broken the all-time high, exceeded the all-time high, got into $3. You can see that Pi got to $3 around this point, and then it's retracing right now. Remember, I told you in the last video that there's going to be a slight retracement, and then from there Pi is going to pump to the upside. Right, now let's check out this article on Binance Square. Is Picoin on its way to $5 plus? Picoin is steadily gaining momentum, and recent data suggests it could be on track for a significant price surge. Now, with March 14th Pi Day just around the corner, speculation is heating up that Pi could break past the $5 mark and possibly reach $20 to $30 if key developments align. Now, let's dive into the number and explore why Picoin might be headed for a major breakthrough. So according to the person who wrote this article, is looking at $20 to $30 in the short term, and that's exactly what I've been saying for a while now. I see Pi Network crossing $20 and approaching the $30 mark in short term. Now, Picoin supply breakdown, the numbers you need to take note of. Now, to date, over 10 billion Pi coins have been mined. The entire amount of Pi coins that have been mined is 10 billion. Exactly. It is 10 billion points, right? However, not all of them will enter circulation due to factors like lost wallets, incomplete KYC verification. And now, here is the current status of Picoin supply. You can see over here that the total mined coin is 10 billion. A little over 6.5 billion has been migrated successfully, which technically means that we have over 6 billion in supply as we speak, right? But out of that 6 billion, we have 4.9 billion locked, right? Almost 5 billion Pi is locked right now as we speak. The amount of Pi that's available for trading is a little over 1.6 billion Pi, right? Now, out of this 1.5 billion circulating supply, the top 10 accounts, including 5 exchanges, hold 250 million of Pi as reserve. However, in just one day, 5 million Pi were withdrawn, tightening supply even further. Now, why Picoin could surge to $5? With only 250 million Pi coins actively available in the market and growing demands, a supply squeeze could push Pi prices higher. The combination of limited supply and increasing the adoption makes a price range of $5 to $30 possibly by March 14, which is the Pi day, right? So I'm looking forward to that March 14 myself. I think something very amazing is going to happen. One of the things that I feel is going to happen is that Binance will be listing Pi Network coins, and that is going to mean something very massive for Pi Network. And I'm also hoping that Coinbase would also list Pi coins as well. Now, if CMC finalizes its update on Pi coin, it could push Pi into the top 20 global cryptocurrencies, boosting credibility and attracting new investors. Now, I've noticed that since CMC have not been able to successfully update the Pi coin right now, some people are still skeptical about investing in the coin. But the moment they finalize and then they fix a number where they should, people will trust the coin enough to want to invest. Major investors will dive in. Major investors will invest into Pi coins. Now, major exchange listing. Rumors suggest that 4 to 5 top-tier crypto exchange may list Pi coin around Pi Day. If confirmed, this could trigger a surge in trading volume and price. Now, expanding Pi Web3 ecosystem, the launch of Pi Web3 utility apps and new features on the Pi browser would further strengthen the ecosystem, increasing real-world use cases. Now, the future of PiCoin. PiCoin has already made headlines. That's no doubt. PiCoin has been trending for days now with its real estate and car purchases in Florida, showing real-world adoption beyond speculation. If upcoming developments align as expected, Pi could cement its position as a major player in the cryptocurrency world, with limited supply, increasing demand, and key milestones approaching. Are we witnessing the rise of the next big digital asset, March 14? Now, you can see everything is in check. Good utility, good use cases in check. Supply is capped at 10 billion. Even if we have the maximum supply to be 100 billion, which is still not realistic for it to be able to get to that point anytime soon. As we all know right now, the Pi mining rate has been diminished, very reduced. Before you can be able to make 1 Pi, you will probably have a lot of referrals, or it will take you days to be able to get 1 Pi right now, considering the current mining rate, which means that to even attain 100 billion would mean years. We won't get to that point anytime soon. So currently, the mined Pi is pegged at 10 billion. Now, apart from that, we also know that Pi Network coins have been listed on some major exchanges and will still be listed on the top tier exchanges like Binance, even if we know that the CEO of ByBit probably has an issue with Pi Network, which we don't know of, because for him to drop that kind of blasting comment about Pi Network, that means there is no hope of ByBit listing Pi Network coins anytime soon, right? That's out of the way, but Binance will list Pi coins and also Coinbase will list Pi coins. If you like this content that you just got from me, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more updates about Pi Network and other crypto related topics. So that will be the end of today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.